Ahead. So now welcome back. For the last video, what we do for the last video, say we create 4 users, this admin, index, user 1 and user 2, just to simulate, say 4 people connect to the server. Now, but for the real life, no be so. Your users, they create each pages for your users. Your users go be dynamic. So you need a login system, you need an authentication system. So for this video and some videos where I go to do after this one, I will just focus on that aspect alone, so that we're not going to need to add code like this admin where they here or this OJ where they here. Everything will be dynamic based on the user will log in. So now what we're going to do. So for this video now, I'll go to the client, and we don't talk, and when we start this, say we could use React for the front end. For here, of course, this one I view because it's just faster just to show this concept. But if you know React, if you pick up Vue very easily. So we could go React documentation. So here, let us say create new React app. Now what do we want to be that? So I will just copy this one. But before I do, make us look. I want to rename this folder we will get for here. I want to rename them to Slack Clone API. Then Slack Clone API. Then I need to come up from inside this folder and paste within the talk for here. Also, sorry, I still need to go back to that place. I still need to go to that Slack API. We could commit all the changes we will get. So that we're not go if you won't get back with it very easy. So I'll just say git add, then I'll say git commit. Now part 14 with that, I'll just put part 14. Okay, that one done did there. Everything they clean. Alright. Now the next thing now is to come out for here, and instead of this my app, I will just do Slack clone client. So this one will take a while, so I need to pause this video and I'll go play and when it don't stop. So you don't install everything finished, and you don't create this folder, this Slack clone client, and these are the files where you come with them by default. This source folder, now where we're going to keep our components, and then we're going to put our logic there. And then you get this public folder within just the year. If you want to put fonts, if you want to put images, this one are just static things where just like the way we get them for the API here, we'll say static. So now so that one to be. So waiting we'll look into, if you go to in this one are the where the thing they enter from, they go inside index.js, and if you go inside this place within you need, you could just import that app and this app which is this one here. And then you could just look, then call this React and React DOM, because now the browser, go to React DOM, then look for that app root. This one we get this ID, root, then and where that root there, if we go this place, now that root here be this. So now this div, just the way we, if we go back here when we look this is the reason why I talk say might close this one, so I know they're confusing. This is the reason why I talk say if you know Vue, you go see this one now, what we call now Vue app, but for that place now root React the column. So make I just close this one, and so they go this index, get this root, then you go replace them. So now waiting just the happen with that. So what we need now, we say we need to create our login component. So but we'll just create component folder, and inside this component folder we'll go create another folder called login, and inside that one we'll go create new file and we'll call them index.js. Now what we need first, I won't use class base. If you do a component base or functional, so but I just need class base. It will give us more flexibility. So we'll just say login, and login extend from React or React component. We'll still import that one. So we'll go import them. I go import first. I go import React. Then I will go import the component. Import the component all from React. we don't need to install them. It already install them for us. So we'll get this one here. So then we feel every React component needs to get render method. So we need to create that render method, and this render method must return, must return a HTML document or element. So here, what we want, if you return no, you could just return something anyway. So we'll just put a div here. This one already do this thing well. So put div here and just put paragraph, just to see everything they work. That's it. Hello. Let's still continue with the hello. And then for here, I just need to do export, so that you go export them. Then what we need to do here, we just need to come here, then import. We'll just import that login from the login component and login index. So we'll get them for here. Here, I want to come out this. We don't need them. We don't need this their logo anymore. So we don't need this one. Then if you just put this one to app, make it just day here first. Then I will just come out all these ones. Then I will just put this one here, login, Mokusi. Then we just format them. Then this, okay, so I just need to do npm run start. Npm run start. And if I come here now, yeah, hello. Right. So our login stuff, they work here because they see what thing we put there. But now login we need. So we need to, I want to install this semantic UI React. Now we could just use. So here, because now form we need, we just go where the form day. Go the form section, where the form day self. Form where the okay, now the form be this. Okay, this one look good, this one will just be a different type of form be this. So this one look like something we'll go for use. All we just need to do, go to trial, and then we'll just copy this form, go back here, we'll just put this, say make this one return this form. Of course, we never installed that one, so we need to install them. So I'll just copy this one too. Okay, I'll come here, copy this one, put here. We don't need this checkbox because we know they do this one, so we don't need this field, because still we'll install them. Say the CM, yeah, we'll go install them, so we'll go install them. So we need to do npm install this. So that's that one to go. I will change this one to username. I capitalize them, and then I will change this one to password. Just want to see everything work. So now you don't there. Someone could try them out. npm run start. We could see like so we're gonna need to, yeah, it's still a load because you run on that time, and okay, see, but the thing still look, the style note they applied, we could see why, but it don't they show the login. So if you type something here now, if you type something here, I will feed submit. Okay, that one day, yeah, I will stop the video for here because I don't want to make it too long, but we will continue. Style not done day, so we need to see how we go to set up this well, so that we could use this style, because not the reason why I want to make it happier like this. Not the reason why I say we could use this with that. So I'll go for the next video. We could see how we could fix that one. Ahead. Enjoy later.